Bats are born blind into darkness, but they don't need light to see. They evolve with a superpower no other mammal masters as precisely echolocation. Bats produce ultrasonic clicks from their mouth or nose. These sounds bounce off objects, creating a mental 3D map of the world. In total darkness, bats don't see with eyes, they see with sound. Their brains translate echoes into shapes, distances, and textures. Echolocation is so accurate, bats can fly full speed through dense forests, avoiding branches thinner than a pencil. Bats sleep upside down. Their feet lock in place, passively requiring no energy to hang for hours or even days. At sunset, bats flood the skies. Guided by sound, not sight, they leave to hunt in total darkness, navigating where others can't. Not all bats eat fruit or insects. Vampire bats walk on all fours, sneaking up on sleeping animals to drink blood without being noticed. They can detect infrared heat-sensing blood vessels beneath the skin. It's a sixth sense, evolved for feeding in the dark. Bats can track, target, and catch tiny flying insects, all in total silence. Their flight is nearly soundless to avoid warning prey. With thousands of bats clicking at once, chaos seems inevitable. But each bat shifts frequency, avoiding echo confusion. Each ear moves like a radar dish, tracking sound directionally. Bats literally fly with their ears. Each bat species has its own sonic signature. Some use rapid-fire clicks. Others use deep pulses tuned to their environment and prey. Some bats fish. They read echoes from the water's surface, detecting tiny disruptions made by aquatic insects. Bats are mammals. Mothers nurse their young while feeding them milk for weeks until they learn to fly. Some bat colonies care communally. Pups huddle in creches, warm clusters, while adults leave to hunt. In controlled tests, bats navigate mazes with no errors. Their echolocation maps space as accurately as our eyes. A bat's brain devotes huge regions to sound processing, allowing them to build mental maps faster than we blink. Bats suffer from myths. Most don't suck blood. Over 1,300 species eat only fruit, nectar, or bugs. A single bat can eat over 1,000 mosquitoes an hour, making them one of nature's best pest controllers. In the quiet of night, bats fill the sky with silent screams, building worlds in sound where others see only darkness. As dawn breaks, bats return to their roosts, trees, caves, even attics. Their internal clocks guide them home, second by second. Though they leave in massive swarms, there's no collision. Each bat adjusts its echoes in real time like a sonic traffic system. Some bats emit echolocation through their mouths. Others evolved nose-leaf structures that shape sound like a built-in sonar gun. Bats detect differences in echo timing, as small as a millionth of a second, translating delays into precise distances. Some bats evolved to hunt underwater prey. Their sonar detects surface ripples, turning sound into a fishing rod. Though associated with viruses, most bats pose no threat to humans. In fact, habitat destruction is making bats the victims. Fruit bats are nature's gardeners. They disperse seeds across miles, regenerating forests with every flight. Some bats can see in low light, but even in pitch-black caves, their echolocation gives them sharper awareness than vision ever could. Echolocation burns energy. Each shout takes effort, but the payoff is precise navigation, successful hunts, and survival. They scream to see, sleep while hanging, and feast in the dark. Bats aren't just creatures of the night, they are nature's blind architects of balance. If animals think like this, what else don't we know? Subscribe and question everything.